Okay, so I finally able to remove the SIM tray from the old iPhone and try to open up the new SIM tray for the newer iPhone. Even though, yeah, I'm not sure what kind of colors is the one that I tried to put, because for some reason it's still pretty much covered by blue plastic cover, and I think most likely from the order that was not covered with the plastic, it's pretty much the regular colors. Maybe because for iPhone 10 or iPhone XS is probably only have a single colors. Perhaps, I'm not sure, because for some reason it was actually white from the back door, but from the side it's just pretty much like a chrome color. So that's the reason why they pretty much try to use or have the same exact colors for every of its SIM tray, although probably there used to be 3 colors, I guess black, white and gold, perhaps silver, I'm not sure. So yeah, after that I trying to change the SIM tray of my main iPhone as well, which is newer than the one that just inserted with the SIM tray. Even though, yeah, the screen is actually not as good as it, because that's probably a little bit downgrade in terms of the glass. So yeah, thank you, that's all.